I smell a mischievous little bird. Yes, I do. I smell mischievous little birdie. Hi there, Chili Sonny. Oh, so much mischievous little birdie. Such a mischievous little birdie. Such a mischievous little birdie. Don't go crazy, Chili. Don't go crazy, Chili. You want to entertain your people, Chili? You want to entertain your people? Or you want to be petted? Oh, God. You just took a shit. And he laughs about it. Oh, but you don't care. You don't care you pooped on camera. Oh, sure. I'm going to pet you. I'm going to pet you. You want to be petted? Let me pet you. Come. I'm going to pet you. I'm going to pet you. Oh, sure. I'm going to pet you. Oh, sure. Good little baby. Oh, sure. Good little baby. Oh, sure. Good little baby. Want me to pet it some more? A little bit more? You don't want to bite me? Okay, that's good. He doesn't want to bite me for once. Whoosha, whoosha. Kisses, kisses. Get the shit out of me. Whoosha. Hey, Chili. Want to dance first, Chili, again? Dance first again. Chili. Dance, she dance. Dance, she dance. Chili. Getting distracted by everything outside. And he laughs. You hear that? He laughs. He wants to see the outside world. But I won't let you, because you my birdie. You're such a cute little birdie. Shut up, Chili. I make the walls, because you my little birdie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He likes to be petted by me, but I can't pet you over there, because you're too far away. Oh, shush. Oh, shush. Oh, shush. He said Chili lets me pet him. He doesn't let many people pet him, but he lets me pet him, unless he tries to bite me. And he laughs about it. Oh, shut little birdie. Dancey, dance. Dance for the lovely people of the internet. Show them the dancing Chili Bird. I don't want the laughing Chili Bird. I want the dancing Chili Bird. No. No. Dance for us, Chili. No. That's not how you sing. Use your singing voice. Your singing voice. No, now you dance. Chili, listen to me. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. And we're gonna dance. Trying to escape. No, Chili, no. Dance on command. Chili. Chili, son. Chili, son. Are you when you pet it? I know that look when you want to be petted. Playing with your toys again. Playing with your little toys again. Dancey, dance. Damn it, Chili, don't want to dance. He dances when he's in the mood. Dancey, dance. No. Who's your circus, birdie? Who's your chochos? You done for the day, Chili? You done for the day? Okay, Chili. I think we'll call it quits for now then. What you say, Chili? What you say? Dancey, dance. Dancey, dance. Oh, he's dancing. He's dancing all right. He's dancing. Okay, Chili, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Dancey, dance. Yeah, that's how he says bye. He goes crazy. He goes crazy. Good birdie.